Good morning.
Hey, this is I'm calling from. I was looking to get in contact, CTE director, or just a program coordinator.
Okay, hold on one second.
Thank you.
This is
Hey, this is with, and we're just looking to partner up with you guys. We're an approved vendor with an active contract with, and pretty much we help teachers, coaches, and leaders by providing foundational knowledge with interactive workshops. Do you feel like your current teacher support program fully meets the teacher's needs, or is there room for improvement?
and what content area?
I'm sorry.
What content area?
And what content? I'm kind of unsure
Which
on the
content?
question there.
What content area do you focus on?
So
Are
we
you a math instruction or reading?
No. It's in general. It's all in general. So it's not necessarily for a particular
and
subject.
Are you? What company? What's the name of the company?
Yeah.
And are you with the school district?
Yeah, we're active. We have an active contract.
That's cool. That's great.
Yeah, absolutely.
Where are you guys based out of?
So how about this? I'll go ahead. I can get your email to send over some information, and then you can have a more brighter scope.
Sure, that'd be great. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Yep. So that's my last name. It's
Got it. And let's see here. Can I get your first name?
Yep, it's
Oh, okay, perfect. All right. And okay, and then could I get your title? Is it program coordinator, SDTL?
program coordinator.
Got it. Perfect. Okay, and then let me ask you this: how do you guys plan on using the remaining of your PD days, or is that mandated by the district?
It's mandated by the district.
Got it.
And ours are already scoped out. We partner with so ours are pretty much out. But we're always happy to pursue other options.
Yeah, partner with.
No,
Okay.
it's not. Yeah, it's different.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Just in Pennsylvania. Okay, and then also, last question here. Just a rough estimate, how many of your teachers have less than 3 years of experience, or do you guys have more of an experienced staff?
No, we have almost all of our people are experienced.
Got it. No, that's cool. That's cool. We'd just like to get those numbers to see how can we tailor make the program for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and send over the email, and then just to let you know as well, with those workshops, we're building foundational knowledge so it can be put into practice with virtual coaching. It's all virtually done, and professional learning community facilitation. So that'll be explained further in the email, and then is it cool if we can touch bases with you after you read the email?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set up something for next week. It's going to be a quick Zoom with our regional director, and they'll go into a little bit more detail, to see how we can benefit you guys. I'll put you on the calendar, though, for Thursday at 10 a.m. Eastern, if that's cool.
Yep, put me on the calendar. I have to double check that I can do that, but put me on there, then I can always let you know if I can't do it. Sounds great.
And you'll get a reminder a day or two beforehand. That invitational link will be sent to you. But other than that, Thursday, 10 a.m. Eastern for that quick Zoom meeting. Hey, take care.
Great, thanks. Sounds good. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
You're welcome.